Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Welcome back to science class of grade 6. So in the previous session, we were discussing on magnets. I hope you have understood the topics covered in it. Today, we will continue with the same unit and try to learn more. So in the previous session, we have learned about the history of magnets, types of magnets, that is natural magnets and artificial magnets, magnetic and non-magnetic substances, and properties of a magnet. Now we shall learn about uses of magnets, demagnetization of magnets, and storage and care of magnets. So next is making magnets. Magnets can also be made with iron or steel. They will be called as artificial magnets. We can also make temporary magnets, but it will lose the magnetism after some time. For that, there is an activity mentioned in your textbook, activity 14.5, which you can refer at the bottom of this page. Next is uses of magnets. Magnets are used for several purposes. They are used in magnetic compasses, electricity meters, refrigerator doors, automobiles, toys, computer hard disk, speakers, ATM cards, and many more. Next is demagnetization of magnets. When a magnet is made to lose its magnetic property or magnetism, it's called demagnetization of magnet. So a magnet can be demagnetized by heating, hammering, dropping, rough handling, or by keeping like poles of magnets next to each other. Care of magnet. So to prevent magnets from losing its magnetic property or magnetism, we should never heat a magnet. Also, rough handling of magnets should be avoided. They should be kept away from electronic devices like mobile phones, computers, televisions, etc. And bar magnets should be kept in pairs with unlike poles next to each other and a piece of soft iron keeper across the poles. Now let's understand this topic in details with a video clip.
Uses of magnets. 1. Magnets are used in doorbells, refrigerators, cupboards, doors, etc. 2. Magnets are used in dynamos, motors, etc. 3. Magnets are used in loudspeaker, microphone, floppy disk, television, etc. 4. Magnets are used in tape recorders and electric meters. 5. Magnets are used in several toys. 6. Ceramic magnets are used in large computers. 7. Magnets are used in magnetic compasses to know the directions. 8. It is used in factories for lifting heavy masses of iron like scrap iron. 9. It is used in hospitals to remove steel splinters from the wounds. Demagnetizing a magnet. The removal of magnetic properties of a magnet is called demagnetization of the magnet. It can be done as follows. 1. By heating the magnet. 2. By hammering the magnet. 3. By passing an alternating current around the magnet. 4. By rough handling.
Taking care of magnets. We are now aware of the attraction and repulsion properties of a magnet. To keep magnets safe and in working conditions, follow these guidelines. Do not heat, hammer, or drop magnets from a height. They will lose their property if done so. Keep bar magnets in pairs with their opposite poles on the same side. Use wood to separate them. Keep a piece of iron across the poles of a horseshoe magnet. Magnets should be away from computers, mobiles, television sets, music systems, and compact discs.
So now let us recall what we have studied in today's session. Points to remember. Magnets are used in magnetic compasses, electricity meters, refrigerator doors, automobiles, computer hard disks, speakers, electric motors, ATM cards, magnetic separations, medical fields such as nuclear magnetic resonance. A magnet can be demagnetized by heating, hammering, dropping, or keeping like poles of magnets next to each other. When not in use, bar magnets should be kept in pairs with unlike poles next to each other and a piece of soft iron keeper across the poles. So that's it for today. Hope you have understood and enjoyed this session. If you have any questions, then please write it in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next session. Have a nice day.